Best Off-Road Motorcycles 2025, KTM 300 XC-W HardEnduro. For 2025, the KTM 300 XC-W HardEnduro has cemented its position as a premier choice for off-road enthusiasts, combining cutting-edge technology with rugged durability. This model exemplifies KTM's commitment to producing high-performance motorcycles that excel in extreme off-road conditions. Powerful and efficient engine. The 300 XC-W HardEnduro is powered by a 300 cubic centimeters, two-stroke engine renowned for its impressive power and torque. KTM has fine-tuned the engine to deliver exceptional performance in challenging terrains, providing both aggressive acceleration and smooth power delivery. The engine's advanced fuel injection system ensures optimal efficiency and reliability, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. State-of-the-art suspension. Designed to tackle the harshest trails, the 300 XC-W features top-of-the-line suspension components. Its fully adjustable WP Explore fork and WP Zact rear shock are engineered to absorb shocks and provide superior handling on rugged terrain. This advanced suspension setup allows riders to customize their settings for different types of trails, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. Lightweight and robust design. KTM's focus on weight reduction is evident in the 300 XC-W's construction. The bike features a lightweight yet durable frame, which enhances agility and maneuverability. This design helps riders navigate technical trails and obstacles with ease. The bike's robust build ensures it can withstand the rigors of hard enduro riding while maintaining exceptional performance. Innovative features. The 2025 model comes with several enhancements aimed at improving rider experience. The new traction control system provides better grip on slippery surfaces, while the electric start ensures easy and reliable ignition in any condition. Additionally, the updated ergonomic design offers greater comfort and control, making long rides more enjoyable. Conclusion. The KTM 300 XC-W HardEnduro for 2025 stands out as one of the best off-road motorcycles available. Its powerful engine, advanced suspension, and lightweight design make it an ideal choice for riders seeking top-notch performance in extreme off-road conditions. With its blend of innovation and durability, the 300 XC-W is poised to be a leader in the off-road motorcycle market.